In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize an intake form using Acuity. This process is not only straightforward but incredibly useful for gathering important information from your clients before their appointments. So let's dive right in and guide you through each step with clarity and ease. The first thing you'll want to do is create a custom form. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the Intake Form Questions section within your Acuity account. Once you're there, you'll notice an option labeled New Custom Form. Go ahead and click on that. Now comes the part where you give your form some personality. Enter a name for your form, something that your clients will immediately understand as pertaining to their upcoming appointment. Along with this, you'll want to provide a brief but informative description of what the form is about. This will set clear expectations and help your clients understand what information you intend to gather. Now that you've laid the groundwork for your form, it's time to add some questions. Look for the Add Questions menu. When you click on it, you'll see a variety of question types that you can add to your form. Choose the type of question that best fits the information you're trying to collect. For instance, if you're asking for a name, a simple text field will do. However, if you're asking about preferences or choices, a multiple choice question might be more appropriate. Once you've selected the question type, type the actual question in the question field. If you're dealing with a multiple choice question, you'll need to enter the potential answers in the choices field. Just separate each choice with a comma to ensure that they appear correctly on the form. A helpful tip to keep everything organized: consider setting certain questions as required. This ensures you gather all the essential details you need from your clients, avoiding any missing information that could affect your planning. To do this, simply check the option that designates a question as required. Now, before you send the form out to clients, it's always a good idea to preview it. This will give you a sense of how it will look from their perspective. You can ensure that the layout is user-friendly and that every question appears just as you intended. This step might seem minor, but it can make a significant difference in how professional and polished your form appears to clients. And there you have it. You've successfully created a customized intake form in Acuity. This tool is invaluable for streamlining your appointment process and helping you gather all the necessary information from clients up front, saving you time and effort in the long run. Thanks for following along, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.